Now, YouTube automation is basically a faceless YouTube channel operated as a business, where all the work required to create videos is outsourced and profits are collected after everyone is paid. These channels are often based around topics like sports, celebrities, finance, movies, and trending topics, to name a few. Firstly, choosing a niche is an important step, as this would decide how much your YouTube channel is going to earn. If you're passionate or really good at something, definitely go with that. But if you think you're not the top 1%, then better to avoid niches like ASMR, movie recaps, relaxing sounds, and gaming. These niches yield low RPM. RPM is the money YouTube gives to the creator per 1000 views. Now, the best niches with high RPM are personal finance, digital marketing, e-commerce, technology content, and also all types of educational videos. They pay RPM of anywhere from $5 to $15. So a video on these topics with 10,000 views will make the same money as a video with 100,000 views on the low RPM niches. Now, choosing video topics. This is the one step you should always do yourself, even if you fully automate your channel. To make sure the success of your video, use vidIQ's keyword tool to know if people are interested in the topic and how much competition is there. After that, write 5 to 10 video titles and pick the best one which is widely understandable and simple, yet sparks the element of curiosity. Nextly, you've got to find someone who makes a killer thumbnail. A video is worthless if no one clicks on it, and this is probably the easiest and cheapest to outsource. You could find a good thumbnail designer on Fiverr who would happily do the job for $5. But if you really want the top design, then $10 to $15 would do. Anything more than that is not a good value. Similarly, there are tons of people on Fiverr who can write a really good script for $10 to $20. It should be a story-driven script, as these are the ones that keep the viewers hooked for the longest. Next step is to do the voiceover. It would take you around 2 to 3 hours to record and edit the voiceover if you're just starting out. This should be the first thing to outsource if you wish to partially automate the channel, as it takes a lot of time to do and is pretty affordable to get it done by someone else. If you really dig deep on Upwork, you can find a good voiceover artist who can get the work done in an hour at a rate of around $25 per hour. Some people use AI voices.
I am an AI. I am told that I have a wonderful voice. I make people happy by saving them time and money. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.
But let's just face it, they're crap. No one wants to listen to an emotionless computer program. Now, the most difficult and undoubtedly the most important step, editing. If you do not have any prior experience, it could take weeks to learn decent editing and still take up most of the time in video creation process. Well, you can find the best editors on Upwork. However, we are not looking for the best edits but the best value. So again, head over to Fiverr and you can get editors starting from $5. Do not even bother looking at them. There is no way on earth you can find a good editor for this cheap. Look for the ones around $40 to $50 price range with anywhere from 50 to 300 reviews, because the ones with higher number of reviews and tens of orders lined up will charge you extra for their popularity. Let's move over to cost and profit. If you completely automate the channel from the get-go, there is going to be little to no profit at the beginning. Here is an average estimate. Thumbnail will cost you $10, $15 for a good script, $25 for the voiceover, and if you get lucky, then $50 for an amazing video editor. This brings the total to $100. Now, if you are in a general niche with average RPM of $10, a video would need 10,000 views to break even. I can almost guarantee that all small to medium-sized automated channels can crush it. And if you do not have enough budget, then maybe partially automate the channel until the break-even mark is reached. Aim for a click-through rate of 10 to 20%, and on average, a viewer should watch 50 to 60% of the video. All this data will be available in the YouTube Studio once you upload your first video.